If I knew I was going to sell 100 t-shirts, I would have budgeted 100 t-shirts. It's our actual quantity at our budget price. Okay, so I have revenues, expenses, and profit before taxes. If I compare, this is what I thought I was going to do for profit. This is how it came out. That difference is what? We call that our profit variance. Okay? Just our general profit variance. The difference between my master budget and my flexible budget is all due to quantity. So if I look at the difference between profit before taxes, master budget, and flexible budget, this gives me my sales volume variance, my sales quantity variance. The difference between the flexible budget and actual is what? All due to price. They have the same quantity. So if I look at the difference between my flexible budget revenues and my actual revenues, the difference is due to price. This has to be my sales price variance. Right, so that's what you need to remember there. Okay, the difference over here with our those columns between flexible budgeted quantity and as if, these are our quantity variances. The difference between as if and actual, these are my price variances. Okay, so you see, these two columns gave you quantity, these gave you price. Same thing here. Going to be quantity, going to be price. All right, our flexible budgeted quantity. Actual number of units that we sold, okay, made, whatever. 2,500 t-shirts, 400 pools that we cleaned. Everybody starts there. Okay. For actual, we take our actual number of units that we sold at our actual parameters. And what does that mean? That means how many yards of fabric did we actually use to make a t-shirt? 2.5. How long did it take us to actually make a t-shirt? An hour. At our actual pricing. The flexible budgeted quantity, again, how many t-shirts did we actually make? 100 of them. Okay? But it's going to be at our budget assumptions. Let's spell that right. Okay, now what does that mean? I think it's going to take me 1.5 yards of material to make a t-shirt. That's how I'm budgeting it. I think that it's going to take me a half an hour to clean a pool. That's what I'm budgeting. And it'll be at our budget price. Now, if the difference between flexible budgeted quantity and as if is due to quantity, then what? This has to be at budgeted price. Our difference is quantity. Price has to be the same. Okay? So if our difference is quantity and this guy is at budget, then this must be at my actual parameters. I thought it was going to take me 1.5 yards to make a t-shirt. It actually took me 2 yards. I thought I could clean a pool in a half an hour. It actually took me an hour. That's what you're comparing. Okay, so then over here, what's the difference? It's price variances. The price has to be what's different. Everything else is the same. Okay? Now,